Hey beautiful beaders, it's Gina from orchidandopal.com, and today I have some things to share with you from beadboxbargains.com, which is the sister site to the very popular subscription I share here every month, Bargain Bead Box. Each month I do a little shopping on their sister site because the subscription comes with a very generous coupon code and their prices are already great. Their stock changes all the time and it is limited because these are closeout deals. So it's kind of like if you see something you like, you need to snatch it up because if you go back, it may be gone. Like some of the items here that I share today may not be available anymore. Some of them will be. And since I picked out these items, they've actually added more things to their site, including some chain that I just saw. So all in all, I have quite a few things to share, and my total came to $53.94 for this package with the shipping included, and you can see the discount taken there from the coupon they provided in the subscription box. I will leave the link to that subscription as well as a coupon code to that subscription and a link to this site down below if you want to check them out for yourself. It's always fun to see what they have in stock. So let's pop into this. And as you already see, I picked out a mix of gemstone beads, findings, and glass beads. So a little bit of everything. I'm gonna take these out of this main bag and then we'll go through everything one at a time together. All right, so let me start out by sharing with you the free gift item that comes with every order. And this one is really generous. A whole strand of these faceted, I'm guessing agate beads. That is cool. So nice to get a little surprise. And here is a look at their carts. You can see their website right on the front of there. Nice personal touch. Let's start out with some of the glass beads. And if I quote a price, it's going to be before the discount. So this is a strand of the 6x4mm crystal rondelles in the color Sapphire AB. The price on this was $1.39. And it's a long 16-inch strand, very sparkly glass rondelles. And I'm kind of obsessed with this color combination. This is called Gray Opal AB, and these look like they are glowing. Look at that shimmer and the AB finish. You get lots of golds and pinks flashing back, and that milky bluish gray glass. These are an 8x6mm size, so a little bit larger than the blue ones, and also a 16-inch strand for $1.99. And then I'm always a huge fan of these two-tone beads. These are the Champagne Shimmer Opal. It's a 16-inch strand as well, also in the 8x6mm size. And such a classic combination of that camel color or champagne that they call it, and the milky white opal, and how each bead has a little of both. Again, so sparkly and look like they are lit from within. These are $1.99 as well. Then we'll move into the findings. So I picked up 2 packs of these sets of 2 floral toggle clasps in the antique copper color. They were 99 cents per bag. I think these are great. They are a little bit on the larger side. They're 30x22mm, but I love the detail of that flower, and even the bar has a little leaf detail on it. There is a look at the back, and they always have such great prices on findings. It's a great way to stock up on those. Here are the next 2 bags of clasps. These are 7 sets of 12x20mm scrolled toggle clasps in antique silver, 99 cents per bag. So look how many you get in there. 7 sets for 99 cents before the discount. Great price. These will go with so many different things. They're a little bit smaller than the copper ones that we just saw, and pretty basic and minimal, except that they still have some detail in that little scroll design that they have. And it's both on the loop there and the bar portion, and they're double-sided, which is nice as well. I also picked up a bag of these. These are something I have gotten before. And I have actually used up all but one of the ones that I had. These are 8 sets of 18x12mm floral toggle clasps, also in the antique silver color, and 99 cents for 8 sets. So they're not double-sided, but they are very cute with the little floral and leaf design. And I find they work really well for beaded bracelets and add a nice touch of detail. Next up, I picked up 2 bags of these fancy chandelier components in the golden finish. We just received these actually in last month's bargain bead box. There's 4 pieces inside of each bag for 99 cents. And there's a closer look at these. You can see how they have the different sections there where you can attach strings of beads or wire or cord, for example, and they are double-sided. And I picked up 2 more of these bags of 20 pieces of 19 by 16 millimeter nickel-free steel hook ear wires in the antique silver color. 39 cents for each bag, and another great stock-up item. All right, let's get into some gemstone beads. So these are 4 pendants. The stone is yellow aventurine, and they were 89 cents per piece. I picked up 4 of them, especially to see the differences because I knew they'd all be a little bit different. And as you can see, this one's got some darker mustardy tones inside, and this one's a much paler version. I love all the subtle differences in these stone pendants and beads. These 2 look very similar. Like these could make some very simple and elegant earrings, I think. Just overall very natural and glossy, flat teardrop shape. And I also picked up the black stone version. These are 79 cents per piece. It looks like these are still available at the time that I'm filming. Very smooth and good quality, and just hardly any variation in these particular pendants due to this type of stone. And there's the top drilled hole there. One of those things you could leave really simple, or you could get crazy and bead around it, wire wrap around it, all sorts of things. All right, and now for the strands. I'm going to show you all 3 of these together just so you can see the subtle differences. First of all, this color, I absolutely love this electric violet purple. Oh my goodness. These are all long 15-inch strands. They are crackle agate. There are 2 8mm strands, as you can see here, and then 1 smaller 6mm strand. I believe this one is called matte violet white because it's got a lot more of the white crackle and striations showing up. This one called matte deep violet, and this one just called matte violet. Just look at all the subtle differences between all of these beads, all a little bit different with subtle changes in the shades. Absolutely gorgeous. The prices on the 8mm strands were $3.99, and then the 6mm strand was $2.99. Next up, I have a strand of 6mm matte lapis lazuli. This is a 7.5-inch strand for $2.49. That blue is so incredibly vibrant, and you also get the touches of the earth tones mixed in. I thought it was kind of interesting. They had some of these matte gemstone beads to pick up. Thought it'd be nice to add some of these to the collection. Such a stunning blue strand. Next up, this is a color I love so much. I picked up 2 strands. These are $3.99 each, and they are 15-inch strands of 8mm crackle agate round beads in the color cyan. So very similar to the deep violet or violet strands that we just took a look at, but these in the cyan with the tones of aqua and cerulean blue and the contrast of the white crackle and different striations. Obviously, these are dyed, as are a lot of gemstone beads, but I just love them. And for the price and the quantity that you get, especially with the coupon, it's just an awesome opportunity to pick up gemstone beads when you find them in their shop. Next up, I have this lovely strand of rhodonite, $3.99 for a 15-inch strand. I absolutely love the shades of rosy pink with mauve and some of the more peachy tones that contrast with these deep and sometimes dark earth tones that are almost black or grayish, and some of the greenish tan. Another beautiful and natural, colorful combination there. Then next is another 15-inch strand. This one is the 8mm red/pink aventurine, $3.99 for this one. And I would definitely describe this color combination as more of a peach or salmon and cream mix. Again, we have the gamut of different tones in those colors, from almost this creamy vanilla white to a pale peach and more of your deeper salmon, pinky orange tones. Here's the next one. These are some smaller 4mm beads in the red agate stone, and these were $2.99 for the 15-inch strand. Lots of warm golden honey tones and even some caramel, all the way ranging down to some that are almost clear. And then next I'll show you these two together. They are 15-inch strands of 7 to 8 millimeter crackle agate cube beads. We have the color in grayscale, very monochromatic tones of gray and white and almost black, and then a strand that they call goldenrod. So we have some of the sunny yellow, some pale buttery yellow, and even some of these deeper grayish tones and white. Another very interesting, unique combination of these gemstone beads in two very different color tones, but similar cuts. They are a little bit irregular, but overall a cube-like shape with some rounded edges. None of them are sharp and jagged. They're very smooth and they have that matte finish, which is really interesting. And these strands were $3.79 each. And what a happy looking bead mat this is so far. Such beautiful colors. All right, a few more things to look at. I am loving these. These are the turquoise chip beads, two 15-inch long strands, $3.49 each. And look how vibrant those tones of blue and green are together. You can see the striations of the black or very dark brown that you usually see in the turquoise beads. And this is always one of those materials that screams summer to me for some reason. Really like the tone of these. Turquoise can take on really different looks depending on the type and where it was mined, and of course the type of treatment it was given. And then finally, I have 3 of these very long 14-inch strands of potato pearls. These are all very irregular, as you can see, and they are in a 5 to 6 millimeter approximate size. Gorgeous mother of pearl luster on them, all these little organic shapes. And 2 of the strands were $1.59, one was $1.79. I believe this is the one they're calling peacock. And then we have a dusty lavender and a lavender silver. So tons of beads on these strands as well. And that rounds out my June 2020 Bead Box Bargains bead and finding picks from their site. So that is everything I have to share with you guys today. I'm really excited again about this collection of goodies. I think it's an awesome deal, especially with the coupon code that they send out monthly. And it's like a little treasure hunt to see what it is they have on their site available that particular month. I did notice that they did add some chain since I placed my order. For those of you wondering where to get chain, I highly recommend picking it up when you see it on beadboxbargains.com. They have great prices and styles that I've used a ton in my jewelry making, and it's always handy to have extra on hand. So I hope you guys enjoyed this product share from Bead Box Bargains. Don't forget you can check down below the video for the link to their subscription as well and the coupon code to the subscription. And of course I have playlists for both the subscription box and more hauls just like this. Please feel free to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you have a favorite item here that I've shared, or maybe you picked up something that I did, or anything else you'd like to say. Hopefully this gives you an up close and personal look at some of the things that they carry on their site. And if nothing else, it's always fun to look at a happy bead mat full of sparkly goodness. So of course, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you will stick around for more fun bead and jewelry making videos. And until next time, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. And as always, happy beading. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my latest videos. You can check out the information section below this video for links to all my social media handles, recommended products, and my shop and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching.